Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook Exercise 6.7, question number 6. Find the parametric vector, non-parametric vector and Cartesian form of the equation of the plane passing through the three non-collinear points 3, 6, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 6 and 6, minus 4 and minus 2. Here, a plane passing through 3 points a plane passing through three points or vector A. Let vector A equal first point 3i plus 6j minus 2k and vector B minus I minus 2j plus 6k and vector C equal 6i minus 4j minus 2k. Now let us find first B minus A. B minus A is here minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 I and minus 2 minus 6 minus 8i minus 8j and 6k minus of minus 2 is plus 8k. Like that, C minus A is here 6 minus 3 is 3i and here minus 4j minus 6j is minus 10j and minus 2k minus of minus 2k is 0. There is no k term here. Next, the parametric form of vector equation. The parametric form of vector equation passing through these 3 points is here r vector equal a vector plus s times b minus a vector plus t times c minus a vector, where s and t is element of r. Now, therefore, r vector equal a is 3i 6j minus 2k plus s times b minus a is minus 4i minus 8j plus 8k and t times c minus a is 3i minus 10j. This is a parametric form of vector equation of the plane through 3 points. Now, next, non-parametric form. Non-parametric form of vector equation is dot product of r minus a, b r minus a, then b minus a and c minus a equals 0, which is equal r vector minus a vector is 3i plus 6j minus 2k dot product of, then cross product of b minus a and c minus a, minus 4i minus 8j plus 8k into cross product of 3i minus 10j. This is a non-parametric vector equation of the plan. Next is Cartesian form. Cartesian form of equation of the plan is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 over x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equals 0. Here x, here the first point is x1, that is first point is 3 y minus 6, that is x1 y1 z1, that is minus 2, that become plus 2. Then second point x2 minus x1, by calculation we have minus 4 minus 8, that means you can check. The second point is minus 1, that is x2 minus x3, no, x3 minus x2 minus x1, here x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, like next 3 minus 10 and 0. Here first point is 3, 6 and plus 2, that is x minus 3, x1. Second point is x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, and minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8, and like 6 minus of minus 2 is 8, like. Now we'll expand this, equals 0, expand this x minus 3 of 0 plus 80 minus y minus 6 of 4 into 0 is 0 minus 24, because here 3 into 8 is 24. Then next is plus z plus 2 equal 40 plus 24 equals 0. So we have 80x minus 240, here minus 20 plus 24y, and minus 144, because plus 6 into minus 24. Next is 64 z, because 40 into 20, 40 plus 24 is 64 is z, and 128 equal to 0. Now collecting 80x plus 24y plus 64 z and minus 240 and plus 128 equal to 0, which gives 80x plus 24y 64z and minus 64z plus 128. 64z here, 64z 64z and 128 plus 128 minus 240 minus 144 plus 128 total comes here minus 256. Now by dividing by 8 we'll get 10x plus 3y plus 8z minus divided by 8 is 32. This is the Cartesian equation of the required plane. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.